So here's an unscripted unboxing slash review of this new GoPro 3-Way 2.0. You know, it's one of the most unusually named products, the 3-Way. Take that as you will. I have one of these older ones, the original version, and I never quite figured out what the 3-part was. So maybe one way is to hold it like this, all kind of folded up, and you can use it to take pictures of things. Another way, I guess, is to hold it like this and vlog yourself while you're taking a video. And I guess the third way is with their little tripod that you screw out of the bottom and screw back in, open it up, and you can balance it like this and take a video that way. Now, I never really like doing it like this because, let's face it, this thing is way too tall for as wide as this tripod base is. Its tripod base is way too small. So it doesn't take much to knock it over. Like this, maybe a little lower like this, and you know, it just won't stay up. And if you have it up like this, any gust of wind, and it's gonna go over. So I never really used it all that much. I think I've used it a couple times for vlogging. I used it a couple times to shoot a review of a bike or something, where I would just kind of angle it like this. But if I want to take it on a trip, I think I want something with a little sturdier tripod. So I went ahead and picked up this 3-Way 2.0. Now I'm one of these, I have one of those accounts for GoPro. I use their cloud service, so since I do that, I get 50% off all their gadgets, which, I don't know, I always think their gadgets are way overpriced, and if I get them for 50% off, okay, fine. Now I get a place to store my video, we'll call it even. So let's open this thing up and see what's inside. Apparently it has a tripod, a grip, and an arm, so that's cool. It's got a 360-degree rotation, I guess, for the camera. So, all right, let's see what happens. Okay, here we go again. We got the box out, and so let's see what's inside. Now, what cracks me up is whenever I see unboxing online, everyone always has really fancy knives. I have a steak knife. So let's see how this works. Hopefully the steak knife does as good a job as the switchblades and whatnot that people use. Holy crap, it did. All right, so let's open her up. Okay. Where are you? Here it is. Okay, here we go. All right, so first thing I noticed, it comes with a wrist strap. So that's pretty cool. It hangs on pretty tightly. I've already noticed that this piece right here comes with a revolving ball, mount, so that's great. I don't have a little piece right here, so I'll put that in. Now let's check out the tripod for it. Okay, this tripod's definitely bigger. Okay, the tripod is wider. Let's compare it to the old one. Oh yeah, the tripod's much smaller, but it's a lot taller too. So I don't know, I guess if you really care about a super height adjustable tripod stand here, then I don't know, maybe this is the one you want. But this is so much sturdier than this, it's not even funny. All right, so let's take this thing off and let's get a mount that I can put into this receiver here. Okay, we're back. I got the little mount put in here. So let's take the camera off the old one and put it on the new one. All right, slides in. All right, you can tighten this joint down, tighten this joint down. All right, this one here, the joints do lock down as well. This one also has a pivoting mount, so you have a little more flexibility with what you can do as far as the mounting position goes. All right, and it comes with a little lever. You just clamp it down and now it's locked into place. Now you can still use it for a vlogging device like this, no problem. Seems to be a little structured a little better than this one. This one's a little flimsy, this one's a little more solid. Now here's the catch, the thing's $70. That's a lot of money for a tripod that unfolds that you could probably find cheaper solutions for. Like I said, I got it for $35 because I have that service, but this thing's $70. I mean, if you're really in love with these three-ways, you know, maybe it's worth it to you, but I would probably wait for it to go on sale, or if you have the account, $35, okay, maybe 35 is pushing a little bit too much, but 35 I can live with. 70, I could not live with that for this item. So anyway, I guess I'll take it on a trip. I'll try it out, see if it's any good. If so, maybe I'll report back. Maybe I won't. I don't know, but this is what you got. The new three-way 2.0, $70. Basically like the old one, a little firmer, a little more solid. A nice rotating ball mount. Those are some perks. I guess on that point, I'm just gonna sign off, go inside. I'm getting eaten up alive by mosquitoes and it's kind of annoying. So take it easy. I'll see you in the next video. Hello there.
Hi, how are you?
Pretty good. How are you?